Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best dry erase circles is probably one of the most versatile and engaging classroom tools you can introduce to your students, transforming ordinary tables into interactive learning spaces that foster collaboration and creativity. These innovative circles are designed to stick securely to various surfaces, offering a durable and reusable canvas for everything from quick math problems and spelling practice to group brainstorming sessions and artistic endeavors, ensuring that every student has a dedicated area to express their ideas and participate actively in lessons. Imagine the possibilities as your classroom buzzes with focused energy, with students eagerly reaching for markers to solve problems, draw diagrams, or even play educational games, all facilitated by these simple yet powerful dry erase circles that make learning fun and accessible for everyone. Number 5. GAMENOTE Rotating Art Supply Organizer. Introducing the GAMENOTE Rotating Art Supply Organizer. Keep all your art essentials visible and within easy reach, making creativity more accessible than ever. With its 360-degree spin base, accessing your supplies is a breeze. It's perfect for maintaining a tidy and organized classroom, office, or playroom. This organizer features large, removable cups, perfect for storing everything from pencils and crayons to scissors and markers. Its unique design ensures stability even when spinning. Each container has an easy-to-grab handle for effortless spinning and stopping. The anti-slide bottom protects your surfaces and keeps it securely in place. Constructed from sturdy, high-quality plastic with a rounded design, it's built to last and safe for children. It's an ideal organizational tool for educational settings. Presented in a beautiful packing box, this makes an inspiring gift. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction with our thoughtfully designed products. What we like. This organizer offers a 360-degree spin for easy access to all your supplies. Its large, removable containers mean you can customize your storage. If you need a versatile solution to keep art supplies tidy and accessible, this is a great choice for busy classrooms or craft corners. What people say. The circles are a great size for individual student work. They stick well to the table and are easy to wipe clean. Durable and hold up to daily use in a busy classroom. Number 4. Mr. Pen Round Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers, 24-pack. Introducing our pack of 24 whiteboard erasers, available in 4 assorted pastel colors. They are made with premium foam and a high-density felt bottom for durability and safe, everyday use. These erasers feature a strong magnet, allowing them to easily attach to any magnetic surface. You'll always know where to find them, saving you time and effort. Designed for convenience, these round erasers measure just 2 inches in diameter and are lightweight. They are perfect for taking on the go, whether for children or adults. They provide an effective and efficient way to clean whiteboards, ideal for presentations, education, or simply keeping your workspace tidy. They are perfect for offices, schools, and homes. Specifically designed to stay firmly in place during use, these erasers prevent the hassle of them falling off. They are a simple yet effective tool for anyone needing to clean whiteboards. What we like. These erasers come in a bulk pack of 24 and feature strong magnetic backs for easy storage. Their small size makes them perfect for little hands. If you're a teacher looking for an affordable and convenient way to ensure every student has an eraser that won't get lost, these are ideal. What people say. The circles are a good size for individual student work. They stick well to the tables and are easy to clean. Students can write directly on them with dry erase markers. Number 3. 8 PCS 11-inch dry erase dots. This set includes 8 vividly colored dry erase dots, each 11 inches in diameter. The abundant quantity and rich color choices make them perfect for replacement, sharing, and daily organization in the classroom or home. Made from thick, tear-resistant vinyl, these dots feature a strong sticky backing that adheres tightly to smooth surfaces. They are designed to withstand frequent writing and wiping, ensuring long-lasting use. Simply peel and paste these waterproof dots wherever needed. They can be removed cleanly without leaving sticky marks, supporting repeated writing and wiping for a convenient user experience. Available in 8 bright, eye-catching shades, these dots can liven up any desk or tabletop. They help clearly divide regions and foster a creative, energetic study atmosphere. These multi-purpose spots are perfect for labeling desks, dividing groups, setting study reminders, and quick note-taking. They are widely applied in classrooms, offices, and homes for daily planning and classification. What we like. These dry erase dots are large, durable, and leave no residue when removed. They come in a pack of 8 with vibrant colors to brighten up any space. If you need a flexible way to create designated spots or reminders on tables and walls without permanent fixtures, these are perfect for classroom organization and student engagement. What people say. These dry erase circles are great for my classroom tables. They are the perfect size and stick well. My students love using these for group work. They are durable and easy to clean. I highly recommend these dry erase circles for any teacher looking to add some fun and organization to their classroom. Number 2. TNW Same Film Whiteboard Wall Sticker Roll. Tired of expensive whiteboards? Our wall sticker roll offers a cost-effective and durable solution. It's incredibly easy to install, requiring no drilling, and instantly turns any smooth surface into a functional writing space. Made from premium PET material, this whiteboard sticker is built to last and won't peel off. Simply peel and stick to create a handy flat surface anywhere you need it. It's perfect for notes, schedules, or creative projects. This convenient roll measures 17.3 foot, x 78.7, giving you plenty of space to work with. It comes with 3 markers, each featuring an eraser for quick and easy corrections. Cutting it to size is a breeze thanks to the grid backing. Turn your desk, fridge, or door into a dynamic whiteboard. It's ideal for to-do lists, reminders, homeschooling, and any project that requires a quick jotting down. It's the perfect aid for your study, office, and daily life. Looking for a unique and practical gift? This high-end whiteboard sticker roll is perfect for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. Give your loved ones the gift of creativity and organization, allowing them to personalize any space. What we like. This whiteboard roll is a cost-effective and space-saving alternative to traditional whiteboards. It's incredibly easy to apply to any smooth surface. If you want to transform desks, walls, or doors into a writing surface quickly and affordably, this is an excellent option for homes, offices, or classrooms. What people say. These dry erase circles are perfect for my classroom tables. They are durable and easy to clean. The circles are a great size for individual student work. They stick well to the table and don't move around. I love that these circles can be used for so many different activities. My students are more engaged when using them. Number 1. Bullseye Office Retro Magnetic Dry Erase Erasers. Remember the classic pencil eraser? We've brought back that beloved retro design, reimagined as a powerful magnetic eraser for your dry erase board. Its felt bottom surface effortlessly lifts ink from dry erase markers. This versatile tool works wonders on various surfaces like melamine, painted steel, porcelain, and glass. Keep your dry erase boards pristine with these perfectly sized erasers. Gentle swipes are all it takes to achieve an effectively clean surface. Tired of constantly replacing dirty erasers? Ours are designed for longevity. Simply clean them under warm water with mild soap for continued use. These erasers are not only durable but also non-toxic and eco-friendly, making them a responsible choice for your classroom or office. Ideal for classrooms and schools, these premium erasers are the perfect supply for teachers wanting a reliable and stylish cleaning solution. What we like. These magnetic erasers feature a classic retro design and are washable for long-lasting use. They work effectively on multiple surfaces. If you appreciate a touch of nostalgia and need a durable, easy-to-clean eraser that sticks to your board, these are a fantastic choice for any teacher or student. What people say. The circles are a great size for individual student work. They stick well to the table and are easy to clean. Students love using them for quick writes and math problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.